What's going on, guys? Let me get my GoPro so we can record. Get my GoPro on. Boom. So we can record and get this really nice footage. Let me get my glasses so I can see what I'm doing. My phone. The remote. I already put fuel in the truck. Let's turn on the remote. Let's turn on the truck. And let's fire this thing up. All right. Let's see if she fires right up. Here she comes. Let's go, guys. Let's have some fun. This is my boy's truck, Michael's truck. We're warming it up first, you know, we're not going crazy. We're warming it up, let's get it going. When the power comes in on top end, he kind of like wants to go wherever he wants. This Savage is moving, guys. Yo, this thing is a beast. Let's go. Guys, this thing is moving lovely. It's running amazing, really nice. I noticed the difference in the pipe. Definitely noticed the difference in the pipe. With the other one, it had a lot more torque from the bottom end, and this one has a lot more top end. This thing is screaming. Oh my God. Woo, let's go. This thing wants to go forward. Oh man, this thing is so much fun. Definitely need both hands, because I usually record with one hand and drive with the other, but this truck is pretty wild. Let's go. This thing is ripping. Can't complain. Listen to that thing, guys. It's running lovely. Can't complain, guys. We got a smoke trail. Beautiful smoke trail. This Savage is moving. Yeah, it's actually kind of wild. Oh yeah, RCR Modded LRP 32. Ooh, I got nervous there. I'm treating the Savage like a race car. This is actually, when you're coming pretty fast, there's a slight turn here, like 45, and yeah. Oh man, this thing is so nice. Three-speed, baby, let's go. That's like a hybrid set. 3-speed, baby. Driving it easy now. Look at the smoke trail. Avión más duro, ¿oíste? A fuego. Yeah, I definitely need both hands for this one. Oh, it's running out of fuel. Oh, there it is. I didn't notice it was running out of fuel, and it made that little funny noise. It ran out of fuel. Yo, guys, this thing was a complete success. So I'm gonna tell you real quick, with this pipe, it has like incredible mid to high RPM power. So the power band goes from low to mid to really high top end. RCR Raptor pipe, love it. So in the other one, which is the RCR the Beast, that one has insane low end power with really good mid and nice top, but it's more for like low to mid. Actually, I shredded the other tires with the other pipe. It has so much torque. It literally shredded the tires like completely. And with this one, I punch it from a dead stop, and it has a lot of power, but it doesn't wheelie like it did before. So, but my friend, that's what he wanted. He wanted a top end monster, and this is definitely the one. I think this engine likes this pipe better than the other one, because this engine has a lot of torque already as it is. Well, guys, let me know what you guys think of the HPI Savage GT-6XL with an RCR Modded LRP 32 Spec 4. This is not even the Spec 4.1, which is the X. This is just the Spec 4. Yeah, this thing is a beast. Yo, it's a beast. He's gonna be so happy with it. All right, let me know what you guys think in the comments.